4x. And so this is what we've got. We have 9 to the power of x minus 10.3. Now that dot is not a point, it's not 10.3, it's 10 times 3 to the power of x plus 9 equals 0. Okay, so at the moment, and I've told you it's going to be a quadratic, but it doesn't look anything like a quadratic at the moment, so we're going to need to make some changes. What's the base of this? What's the base value here? The base value is 3, isn't it? But the base value of this one is 9. Can we make 9 look like a base 3? We can. Yeah, we can. So it's going to be, therefore, 9 actually looks like 3 squared, doesn't it? So that means it's 3 to the 2x is the same as 9 to the x. Then I have minus 10 times 3 to the x plus 9 equals 0. Can anyone see what's going on with the logs that we're looking at here? I'm going to rewrite this in another way. If I've got that as 9 to the x, can I write it like this? 3 to the x squared minus 10 by 3 to the x plus 9 equals 0. Can anyone see the quadratic that we're starting to see there? Here we have a term squared, here we just have that term, and here we have our constant value. And so, I'm going to go let, and what are we going to do today? Let's go let d equal 3 to the power of x. So, therefore, d squared minus 10 lots of d plus 9 equals 0. Okay, we can factorise this. So we'll put our brackets in. I think this one will factorise nicely, equals 0. And so we're going to look at a d and a d. And then what else are we going to look at there? It's going to need to be minus 9 and minus 1. So d is equal to 9 or 1. Okay, once we've set d equal to 9 or 1, we can now go back to what we let it equal, where d was equal to 3x. And so 9 is equal to 3 to the x. So 3 squared is equal to 3 to the x. And so x, therefore, is equal to 2. Or we had 1 equals 3 to the power of x. Now, I don't know this one as nicely, and so I'm going to rewrite it as therefore, x is equal to the log of 1 to base 3. And so, therefore, x is equal to... do you have it on a calculator there, Alex? Just 0, is it?
Yeah, just 0.
Yeah, because the log of 1 to any base is 0, isn't it? Okay? So, therefore, we have our two answers. X is equal to 2 or 0. X equals 2 and 0. And that's the end of the question. We don't need to reject it in this situation because we're not looking at logs, we're looking at exponentials, and a 0 will work in these situations. Okay? Good question though. Alright, and that is the end of that one. Excellent. Okay, is everyone happy with how to do that question? Yep. Any questions about it? Really what you're looking for is you're looking to turn it into a quadratic, and the main hint comes from that base number 3 to the x that's just there.